Good morning students, myself Kavita Modi. Today we are going to continue chapter 4 fractional numbers. In this chapter our topic is word problems. Here the list that you should remember. Save it somewhere in your notes. Keywords for multiplying are of, multiplied, times and in all. And for dividing are divided, split or distribute equally, cutting in each. See, of and in each are tricky terms as they can be misleading. So, when you confused, ask yourself with a similar question with a small respective value other than 1, because any digit multiplied by 1 or divided by 1, the answer is number itself and you will be again confused. So take the digit which is more than 1. Let's start. Question number 1. A piece of ribbon is 5 meters long. If it is cut into 14 equal pieces, what is the length of each piece? Write down solution and tell me what we have to do in this question. Multiplication or division? See, the length of ribbon is given and find out length of each piece, means more is given and find out for 1. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to do division. So the first statement is length of ribbon is equal to 5 meters. But 5 is a mixed number. So first we convert them into improper fraction. 5 5s are 25 and 25 plus 3, 28. So the fraction is 28/5 meters. If the ribbon is cut into 14 equal pieces, means second statement is number of pieces is equal to 14. And the third statement is length of one piece is equal to 28/5 divided by 14/1. Write 28/5 as it is. Change division sign to multiplication sign and multiplying by the reciprocal of the divisor 14, which is 1/14. Here I see 28 and 14 both are divisible by the same number 14. So cancel them out by 14. 14 2s are 28 and 14 1s are 14. Now it cannot be further simplified. So do the multiplication. 2 1s are 2 and 5 1s are 5. So the fraction is 2/5. So the last statement is length of each piece is 2/5 meter. Let's solve one more question. Question number 2. Seetal has 1/3/4 kilogram of sweets. She distributes 1/4 kilogram of each of her friends and finish all the sweets. To how many friends did she distribute the sweets? First, write down solution and tell me what we have to do in this question. Multiplication or division? See, in this question we can find the keyword such as distributes. So this indicates we need to do division. So the first statement is weight of sweets is equal to 1/3/4 kilogram and 1/3/4 is a mixed number. So first we convert them into improper fraction. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 7. So the fraction is 7/4 kilogram. The second statement is sweets she distributed to each friend is equal to 1/4 kilogram. And the third statement is number of friends she distributed the sweets is equal to 7/4 divided by 1/4. To divide, first change division sign to multiplication sign and multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor, which is 4/1. Here I see 4 is divisible by the same number 4, so cancel them out by 4. 4 1s are 4. Again 4 1s are 4. Now it cannot be further simplified, so do the multiplication. 7 1s are 7 and 1 1s are 1. So the fraction is 7/1 and 7/1 means 7. So the last statement is Seetal distributed sweets to 7 friends. Let's solve one more question. Question number 3. Mr. Gupta puts 3/4 liters of petrol in his car. If he uses 1/3 of it, how many liters of petrol did he use? First, write down solution and tell me what we have to do in this question, multiplication or division. See, in this question, Mr. Gupta uses 1 upon 3 of 3 1 upon 4 and of means multiplication. So we have to do multiplication in this question. So the first statement is total quantity of petrol in his car is equal to 3 1 upon 4 liters and 3 1 upon 4 is a mixed number. So first we convert them into improper fraction. 4 3s are 12 and 12 plus 1 13. So the fraction is 13 upon 4 liters. And the second statement is total quantity of petrol he used is equal to 1 upon 3 of 13 upon 4 liters. And of means multiplication. So the next step is 1 upon 3 multiplied by 13 upon 4. Here I see the numerator and denominator are not divisible by the same number. So do the multiplication. 13 ones are 13 and 3 fours are 12. So the fraction is 13 upon 12. But 13 upon 12 is an improper fraction. So first we convert them into mixed number, and everyone knows how we will convert them into mixed number. So the answer is 1 upon 12 liters. And the last statement is Mr. Gupta used 1 upon 12 liters of petrol in his car. Let us solve one more question. Question number 4. The product of two fractions is 9. If one of the fraction is 2 1 upon 7, find the other fraction. Write down solution and tell me what we have to do in this question. Let us try this with a simple example. The product of two numbers is 10. If one of the number is 5, find the other. So tell me, product of which number gives you 10? Yes, 2. How we get 2? 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So we have to do division in this question. The first statement is product of two fractions is equal to 9. And the second statement is first fraction is equal to 2 1 upon 7. 2 1 upon 7 is a mixed number. So first we convert them into improper fraction. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1 15. So the fraction is 15 upon 7. And the third statement is second fraction is equal to 9 upon 1 divided by 15 upon 7. Write down 9 upon 1 as it is, and to divide first change division sign to multiplication sign and multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor, which is 7 upon 15. Here I see 9 and 15 both are divisible by the same number 3. So cancel them out by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. Now it cannot be further divisible. So do the multiplication. 7 3s are 21 and 5 1s are 5. So the fraction is 21 upon 5. But 21 upon 5 is an improper fraction. So we convert them into mixed number. And everyone knows how we will convert them into mixed number. So divide 21 by 5. And the answer is 4 1 upon 5. So the last statement is the other number is 4 1 upon 5. Solve one more question. Question number 5. It takes half minutes to cook one dosa. How many dosas can be cooked in 1 upon 4 hour? Write down solution and tell me what we have to do in this question. Let us try this with a simple example. If it takes 10 minutes to cook one dosa, how many dosas can be cooked in 20 minutes? Yes, the answer is 2. So what we did is 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. That is, we have to do division. See, we cannot solve this question because time is expressed in different units. We need to bring them in the same unit. So either convert minute to hours or hours to minute. Here we are converting hours into minutes. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 upon 4 hour is equal to 1 upon 4 multiplied by 60 is equal to 15 minutes because 60 divided by 4 is equal to 15. Now time is in the same unit. Let us solve. So the first statement is time taken to cook one dosa is equal to half minute. And second statement is time duration is equal to 15 minutes. And the third statement is number of dosas cooked in 15 minutes is equal to 15 divided by 1 upon 2. To divide, first we change division sign to multiplication sign and multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor 1 upon 2. So we write 15 multiplied by 2 and 15 2s are 30. So the answer is 30 dosas, and the last statement is 30 dosas can be cooked in 1 upon 4 hours. Solve this question in another way also. So write down solution. See, in this question, time is given in minutes and hour both. So the first important step is make the unit same. Here we are converting hours into minutes. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 upon 4 hour is equal to 1 upon 4 multiplied by 60 is equal to 15 minutes because 60 divided by 4 is equal to 15. So the time duration is equal to 15 minutes. If in half minute 1 dosa is cooked, so in 1 minute 2 dosa can be cooked. Number of dosas cooked in 15 minutes is equal to 15 multiplied by 2 is equal to 30 dosas. So 30 dosas can be cooked in 1 upon 4 hours. I hope you all understand word problems. So complete lesson 4, worksheet 13 and brain teaser once in Maths CW. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.